All right, hey guys, this is Ed. I'm here doing another review today. It is a rainy day here in Southern California, so I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to do another sauce review. Today I'm going to be doing the Zaaschila hot sauce. I picked this up at one of my local Mexican grocery stores. I thought it looked interesting, so I figured I'd give it a try. Now, this company, according to their website, looks like they've been around since 1996. This sauce is part of their gourmet line. They do have a whole nother line of what they call on their website table sauces. Keep in mind that their website is in Spanish, so if you have a translator like a Google translator, you can use that to view the site, which is what I did. So the ingredient list on this is water, serrano peppers, salt, white tequila, citric acid, acetic acid, onion, xanthan gum, condiments and spices, sodium benzoate, and potassium sorbate as preservatives, FD&C yellow number 5, and FD&C blue number 1. So the first thing that stands out to me on the ingredient list is that it is a water base. Now, if my memory serves me correct, I believe that acetic acid is vinegar. Correct me if I'm wrong. So there is a certain level of vinegar in here. That might just be for, part of their preservation, methods. We'll see. But the other thing that stands out to me is the artificial coloring. I'm kind of on the fence when it comes to artificial coloring in hot sauce. I kind of believe that the natural ingredients that are in hot sauce are aesthetically pleasing enough, at least for me. And, there may be some, people out there that have other issues with them as well, too. But it's at least, if nothing else, worth me noting before you guys decide that you might want to try this. It's just so you know that it's in there. So I'll go ahead and give it a shake real quick. See how it tastes here. So the consistency is fine. I assume that that's probably from the xanthan gum, or some of the other ingredients that are in there. That's fine. So let me see. It does look pretty seedy too, from the way that it looks. So let's see. I'm going to give it a try here. Not much to speak of when it comes to the aroma on this either. I'm not sure if it's because it is kind of a water base that I'm not really getting much there. Flavor-wise, it's okay though. I'm getting primarily the Serrano. I'm not really picking up on the tequila, but I think the tequila may be mixed with the acetic acid and water. It's probably pretty dilute. It might just be something that was added and to put on the label to make it more pleasing and whatever to other people. So flavor-wise, I'm not really getting a whole much complexity. Really, not getting much there. It's okay. They have it on here. It just says 23,000 Scoville heat units. That's all it says on there. I assume that they're referring to Serrano pepper because that's the high end of the scale for a Serrano pepper. But this sauce on the heat level, I would probably give maybe like a 4, maybe a 5. It actually burns more going down than it does on the palate. So aside from that, to be honest with you guys, I'm really not a huge fan of this sauce. It's kind of two-dimensional. There's not a lot of complexity here, which some people might find useful for some dishes if you're making like a chili verde or something with pork or whatever. You could add this to it, but I would probably recommend jazzing it up a little bit with your own creations, extra spices and things like that. Um, Again, I'm not really getting much of the tequila. It does say on the bottom here that it contains less than 1% alcohol. So that's probably why. I think it was just kind of on there for marketing reasons. But in any event, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'm more than happy to answer them for you. If you just comment in the comment section any other further questions you have, or if you're a member on the hotpepper.com, you can find me under username Edmick, EDMICK, and I would be more than happy to answer any questions for you there. And if you wanted to go to Zaaschila, ZAASCHILA.com, you can find some other information there. So I hope you enjoyed the review. You guys have a good day. I'll talk to you soon.